Welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If it is your first time on this channel, welcome. On this platform, I share with you opportunities that you can apply and work remotely. So please do take a moment and subscribe to the channel. And should you find this information valuable, please do share this content. Well, without much waste of your time, let's jump onto today's opportunity. So the company that we are looking at today is called Intuition Machines. So what is this company all about? Intuition Machines specializes in deep learning and visual domain machine learning at a scale. Right, so if you don't know much about machine learning, you can go onto Google and type so that you can have a better understanding. So as you know, on this platform, we're mainly interested in opportunities where we can apply and work remotely. So the next thing that you want to do once you have read through what the company is all about, right, you need to come here on jobs. You click on it and then this page, it will populate, right? So as you're going to see that there are quite a number of opportunities that they are looking to fill. So from different departments. So you've got your global software support, staff support engineer, staff software engineer, and all that. And then social media marketing, and then technical writer, SEO specialist, and all that. So as you can see, there are quite a number of jobs that they are looking to fill, and also the majority of them, they are remote jobs, and they are pretty much spread all over the world. You've got opportunities in Argentina, France, United States, right, and then you've got also in Germany. So just as an example, we are going to choose SEO Specialist. So for those of you who might not know what that abbreviation is for, so SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. So the next thing that you want to do is you click on it and then you can open it on another tab. So you want to go through the overview of what the job actually entails. So read through and see the description, and then you will see here what you will do. So this is what you will be doing. Read through and see if it matches what you currently have in terms of skills, and then what we are looking for. So this is what they are looking for. So if you've got a minimum of 2 to 3 years search engine optimization experience, then this will be the job for you. They've written here some of the tools that you need to be familiar with: SEM Rush, and then Refs tool, and then the Moz tool, and all that. So a lot of these tools, they are quite popular, and if you do not know perhaps how to use them, you can also go onto YouTube and find out how you use them. But obviously nothing beats the experience of actually using the tools. And if you do not know how to use them, be frank with them on the interview to say you've not used this tool before, right? And you never know, they might actually hire you because of your honesty. Anyways, moving on, and then you also, these are some of the nice haves. If you do have these, they will work in your favor, right? And then what do they offer? Right, as you can see, a fully remote position with flexible working hours, right, which is a good thing. So once you've read through all this and you are happy, the next thing that you want to do is you click on apply, and then on this section you simply input your name, your last name, your email address, your profile, that is your CV or resume, and then you click submit, and then you wait to hear from the company. Well guys, so let me know in the comment section below if you are going to be going ahead to apply at this company. Remember, I showed you that there are so many opportunities that you can go for, right? So we've come to the end of today's video. Just before I let you go, this other day I created another opportunity where you can apply and work remotely. The link to that video, it will be in the description box below. Otherwise, the video itself, it will pop up just now. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.